Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use money.com as a PR agency. So in money.com you have to press this blue button, press choose from templates, and here in the search box search for PR. Alright, and then scroll down, and once you find this template that says communications and PR, select this one, press use template, and give it a while to set up everything for you. Alright guys, as you can see, this template has created multiple boards for us. For example, it has created a PR agency management board, journalist CRM, communications board, spokespeople, and a couple of other boards. But what we need is PR agency management because we want to use money.com to manage our PR agency. So here in the PR agency management board, we have quarter 1, quarter 2, we have our agendas board here, and in quarter 1 what we get is we can add our items here, then we can add their brief, then we can add their timeline, media outlets, focus, and we can add other columns as well according to our needs by pressing this add button. Alright, so this template is basically used for PR agency management. So you can use this template to manage your PR agency in money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.